Hello, Don with Dent Kraft. I'd like to talk about an incredible tool that we've been using pretty much weekly. It's great for fenders, but it's really great for moldings as well. It's made by Keith and Letitia Skelton, and they are out of Texas. You got to check this thing out. It just saves the day in so many different ways, and it's been saving us time and money in original painted moldings as well as the chrome moldings.
We got the Dfender here, and it's just a nice little pivoting tool. We've been using this a lot on these roof moldings. I have a 5 series roof molding that's painted. These are kind of spendy, so if you can save these and prevent it from having to buy a new part and have it painted, that's just all the better for the car, better for your pocket. And it comes with a little red tip here if you want a softer blow. It just, just your classic rubber tip. But for this one, I'm just going to go, it's a little bit burlier metal. I want a sharper point. You can take that off and you get a nice little point here. The back side is this nice kind of this foam, the stick-on foam here, so it won't scratch the paint. And you literally just get in there and you just kind of, just get a little pry action here. And so just like when you're pushing on a roof or a hood, you can't see the tooltip, but for all us dent guys, you'll just find it right away. You'll pick it up, you'll know exactly where that's supposed to be, and it just, it does a great job moving that metal. It's a great thing to save these as well. I was also thinking about how we talk about being green. This is just another part that's not going to end up in the landfill. And one less part that they have to produce, less resources being used. The original part for the car, so just another great way to keep the car all original. There's some smaller ones. Let me find like a larger dent here, a little bit larger one there. Our old style, we tried to do these and we would figure out a way to get this molding into a vice grip of some sort, or put a tool in a vice grip and try and push the dent out. And it was so frustrating and difficult to see what you're doing. This just makes it so much easier. It isolates the molding so that you can really concentrate on what you're doing and you can really perfect these things.